Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a lovely I can't read upside down. Super moist strawberry cake mix for my sweet Grammy. This recipe, we're going to be needing homemade frosting, package, ingredients on said packet, Bailey, oh my gosh, and a preheated oven, which there is none. We of course also cannot forget our spatula, as my father says. Do you ever feel like it's hard to talk? Like in the sense that another person is forcing you to talk about something just completely random or out of context? It's a weird feeling. I especially don't like talking about my weird and niche interests that nobody else probably understands, especially to my family. When I first started doing this, I realized that I'm kind of incapable of doing something without a script. Even this video is scripted. I'm joking, but I do have a bit of a script here to understand what I'm actually talking about, so I don't just sit in silence like my last video. That was painful. I'm actually kind of surprised that you need an entire cup of water for a cake, but then again, it is super moist, so... this is a lot more pink than I thought it would be. Probably because it's a strawberry super moist cake. And now, we just have to wait for our preheated oven. Preheated by Yoshi himself, right Yoshi? Okay, product. Now that our cake part has been done and is in the oven, we have to clean up, so.